High above the coastal tropics, the camera soars over endless rows of towering coconut palms, swaying gently in the ocean breeze.
Cross-referencing the barcode now. Harvest date checks out.
Okay, secure the net on the scale. Let's get this first load moving inside.
Before de-husking begins, each coconut passes through a sophisticated scanning station that measures husk thickness using near-infrared spectroscopy.
Adjacent to the thickness scanner, a complementary system evaluates the moisture content within each coconut's fibrous husk.
The stripped coconut husk fibers travel through vacuum ducts to a dedicated coir collection facility. Here,
Freshly de-husked coconuts emerge from the machines. Inspection cameras photograph each shell. Millimeters. A series of rotating brush cylinders scrub the shell surface as coconuts travel through the cleaning station. In the sanitization tunnel, cleaned coconut shells are misted with a food-safe solution.
Coconuts are oriented by automated positioning arms that locate the 3 eye spots using pattern recognition cameras.
A healthy, intact coconut produces a resonant, hollow tone when struck. Cracked or compromised.
A sterile stainless steel lance descends and punctures the soft eye of each positioned coconut with surgical precision. The cracking machine applies precisely calibrated force through hardened steel blades that strike each coconut along.
This one shows discoloration, likely bacterial.
Confirmed. Ensure it goes to the separate collection for industrial oil.
Cleave it. Pneumatic pressure drives the blade in a rotating sweep that follows the shell's concave interior surface with
bent coconut shells, now stripped of their valuable meat cargo, tumble down discharge chutes toward collection bins below the extraction line.
Beverage. An X-ray inspection system scans each piece of coconut meat as it passes through a shielded detection tunnel. Immediately following blanching, coconut meat pieces transfer to a cooling section that rapidly reduces their temperature to halt. Following rinsing, coconut meat pieces pass through an air knife station that blasts away surface water clinging to the flesh.
Peeled meat rinsing. Verify testa-free coconut meat piece and enter a multi-stage rinsing tunnel designed to remove any residual testa.
All parameters passed. The clearance code is 7T4.
Perfect. We can release the batch for grinding.
Diced coconut chunks enter the primary grinding mill through a feed throat designed to prevent bridging.
First pressing preparation. The coconut slurry enters holding tanks immediately upstream of the mechanical pressing equipment that will perform the first liquid extraction.
Virgin pressed coconut milk cascades from the press collection channels into receiving vessels maintained at cool temperature.
Residual coconut fiber discharge. After second pressing, the remaining coconut fiber retains minimal extractable value and discharges as process waste.
First pressed coconut cakes are broken apart and rehydrated with additional hot water for a second extraction.
The rehydrated coconut slurry enters fresh pressing chambers for a second round of hydraulic extraction.
Initial coarse filtration passes the milk through vibrating screens with mesh sizes ranging from 100.
Coconut milk enters the first fine filter housing, where 100 micron elements capture the largest remaining particles.
Check the seals on housing 4.
Verified. Pressure looks stable at 25 microns.
As fine filters accumulate captured particles, their flow resistance increases until performance degrades unacceptably.
High-pressure homogenization. Heated coconut milk enters the homogenizer and accelerates.
The industrial homogenizer represents one of the most critical machines in the entire coconut milk production process.
Many premium coconut milk products undergo two-stage homogenization for enhanced stability and texture. The first
Samples of homogenized coconut milk undergo immediate analysis to verify fat globule size reduction meets specifications.
Inline fat analyzers continuously measure fat percentage. Batches below target levels receive additions of separated coconut cream.
Quart of homogenized coconut diverts to centrifugal separators that concentrate at.
The standardized coconut milk now approaches thermal processing, the critical step that ensures microbiological safety and extends shelf life.
The process heats coconut milk to 72 degrees Celsius and holds it at that temperature for exactly 15 seconds before rapid cooling.
Immediately following thermal processing, coconut milk requires rapid cooling to preserve quality and prepare for packaging.
Emulsion stability testing. Laboratory analysis confirms the stabilized coconut milk emulsion meets rigorous stability requirements before packaging authorization.
Pumps. Stabilizer incorporation. Prepared stabilizer concentrate meters into the main coconut milk stream through precision dosing.
Prepared stabilizer concentrators into the main coconut milk stream through precision dosing pump synchronized with.
Coconut milk products undergo enzymatic modification to enhance specific functional properties.
While pure coconut milk relies solely on natural coconut flavor, many products incorporate
All sensor data streams to central control systems where algorithms identify trends and trigger alerts before parameters exceed acceptable limits.
Clean in place, CIP systems circulate hot cleaning solutions through all product contact surfaces without equipment disassembly.
Analytical verification is complete, Supervisor. All parameters are within spec. Good.
Authorize the transfer to line 3.
Despite robust controls, processing exceptions occasionally occur that require evaluation and documentation.
Flat-packed aseptic carton blanks arrive at the filling lines in massive bundles containing thousands of pre-printed containers.
Individual carton blanks feed from the magazine into the forming section, where mechanical fingers fold them into their familiar sterilized cartons advance into the filling station, where precision volumetric fillers dispense exact quantities of coconut milk. Aseptic zone sterilization. Before coconut milk contacts the cartons, both containers and filling equipment.
Immediately following filling, carton tops fold closed and seal to complete the hermetic package, protecting the coconut milk inside. The double seam represents a triumph of mechanical engineering. Modern seaming stations achieve speeds.
The cans undergo interior rinse and inversion to remove debris before entering the filling zone. This
Non-destructive seam inspection occurs on every can using optical and electromagnetic sensing technology.
Every coconut milk container receives individual marking identifying production date, time.
The sleeved containers then pass through a shrink tunnel where heated air, typically at 180 degrees to 2. Case erecting machines transform flat corrugated blanks into assembled shipping cases. Magazine hoppers hold stacks that feed into the erector one at a time. Tray forming machines erect flat corrugated blanks into open-top trays using folding and gluing sequences.
Loaded cases proceed to sealing stations that close and secure the top flaps.
Before palletization, sealed cases accumulate on conveyor systems that buffer production flow against downstream equipment cycles.
The microbiology section of the laboratory conducts testing that verifies coconut milk products are free from harmful.
Wet chemistry and instrumental analysis verify coconut milk composition matches label declarations and customer specifications.
Labeled pallets transfer via a male forklift operator to finished goods staging areas where they await shipping assignment. Long-term stability testing confirms coconut milk products maintain quality throughout their declared shelf life.
Packaging integrity. Specialized testing confirms coconut milk packaging maintains hermetic integrity that prevents contamination and preserves quality.
Regulatory compliance documentation. Quality assurance specialists maintain comprehensive documentation demonstrating coconut milk products comply with all applicable regulations.
We've traced the nonconformance back to this raw material lot.
Initiate the quality hold procedure and begin the rework assessment.
This one here, the April 15th batch. Got it, moving it to the bay now.
Bill of lading confirmed. All pallets verified.
All right, thanks. We're clear for departure.
Logistics planners select transportation modes, balancing cost, speed, and product requirements for each coconut milk shipment.
Fresh coconut milk products requiring refrigeration demand unbroken cold chain management throughout distribution.
International coconut milk shipments require extensive documentation for customs clearance. Commercial invoices detail shipment
Pulls back from the bustling fact floor, rising slowly to capture the full scope of the
Temp logs look good, well within range. I've cleared the hold.
All right, moving this to slot 4 immediately.
Children. Through coordinated distribution programs and vendor-managed inventory, we monitor stock levels and
compliance. Restaurants and other food service operators receive coconut milk through specialized distribution channels serving their unique needs.
The consumer enjoys their creation, likely never considering the remarkable journey this coconut milk traveled from tropical palm to their table. The modern coconut milk industry continues evolving toward greater sustainability across every aspect of operation.
The modern coconut milk industry continues evolving toward greater sustainability across every aspect of operation.